Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing some Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, we are playing a custom map called 20 Ways to Die, I think? Yeah, and the creator's all the way over here. I will not read it because I don't want, copyright or whatever. Stand on the yellow clay and wait for a while. What's that? A TNT plane is coming. What? Ah! That's awesome! A TNT plane is coming. It's gonna drop TNT on me, isn't it? That's cool. That's awesome. Yay! Oh, I died. That's awesome. Okay, this is level 1, I think. Remember to step on the pressure plate. Like that. Okay. That was weird. All things required are in here. Okay, so we got 5 iron blocks, iron pickaxe, and 5 tips. Press the button to get tip. Okay. Well, let me be honest with you. I'm pretty sure I know what it is already. Let me show you. You're gonna do this. Go up. Yeah. Jeez. Okay, one more. There we go. Ow. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm assuming we just gotta keep jumping off this. Like this. Quality entertainment here, guys. Quality entertainment. I'm gonna stop the video, and when I'm done dying, I'll get off. Okay, I'm almost done. Ready? You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Yay! I died. Never say that every day. Okay, those plates turned. See it here? A lava. Do you think that was really hard? Okay, let's play the next one. Now, do know that they are gonna get harder as time progresses. Okay. Cactus and sin. Oh, this is stupid. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, next one. Level 4. So much more to go. Yay. Water. 32. Oh, wait, what am I doing? 30 what? 32 buck. Okay, I actually don't know. Are we just supposed to drown? I guess we're supposed to drown. You know what? Maybe it's like this. Maybe we're supposed to build like a pool. I have no idea, so I'm just gonna do it that way. Okay, so we need at least. It doesn't have to be that big. It has to be like that much. Set right here. Let's put that there, and there, and then that extra block can go away. Actually, no, wait, we need that extra block because we're gonna get up. Let's place this one. I think we're good. What's creepy is we had the exact amount. So I actually have no idea. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, great. Now am I supposed... Oh wait, there's one right here. Okay, we kinda have the same amount. Okay, let's go up here and... I'm an idiot. Why did I think that would work when I only had one? Okay, let's, great. Oh, it's going to be a long, slow death. Are you gonna seriously push me out of the water? Oh my gosh. I'll be back when I die. Oh my gosh! Okay, I need blocks. I'll be back when I die. Okay, we're back. And... dead! Yeah! Okay, next one is number 5. Okay, no questions asked. I am literally making a part 2 because this is going to take forever to do. Okay, iron and gravel. Oh no! I know what I have to do. I have to make flint. Hold on, there's something on my screen. Oh, I placed that down. He's going to get in the first try. Dang it. Hold on, one more, and then I'll stop it. One more. I'll stop it. I got one! Yay! Okay. Craft flint and steel, and light myself on fire. Whee! I can make the whole place on fire. Yeah! It's a fire party. Yay! Okay, I'm dead. Okay, number 6. Okay, next. Okay, what we gotta do is... oh no, I suck at redstone. Never ask me to play its redstone map, because if you do, I'm going to be mad at you. Okay, let's try this. Because I'm probably going to suck at it. Now, I understand what I have to do. Put that there, and then, redstone, 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 and redstone. Put the torch after I put the arrows in. Aw, 64 stack. They need to fix that. It takes forever just to get all of the whole 64 stack in, and it's annoying. The whole stack. There we go. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This better work. Bruh. Okay, that didn't work. So, what am I supposed to... how do you inject it inside the thing? Let me try this. And, that there. And then pick this. And put that here. Will it work if I just... oh, let me do this. Wait, it's not even shooting the arrows. How do you okay, it's shooting the arrows, but... ah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right here so I can, you know, yeah. Last one, ready? Okay, wait, 2 more. Yay! Number 7. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, all you want. No! I don't like hitting wolves. Their sound is just... not to be wrong, but I'm pretty sure Dan TDM played a map. It was like 100 ways to die or something, and one of them was killer wolves everywhere. Let's try not to hit them, because usually when I spawn stuff, I hit everything else. I'm literally just gonna spawn in every single one. Oh no. Oh no, no! Ah, ah, ah. Poor dogs, poor dogs. I hear them at the bottom. Oh, poor little dogs. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Please don't tell me this is a maze. Creator, I hate you. Just kidding, but seriously, really? I gotta let the pig get... Okay, ready? Settle. Wait, you don't get until I mount you. Sorry about the little... What are you doing, pig? This way. No, 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 no. I'm not pointing it that way. Yes, okay, no, 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 backwards, backwards, that way! What are you doing? I'm pointing the... Where did you go? You just left me! Get out of my way! No, pig, come back, come back. You're the one I need. Let me sit on you! I can't even punch him. I can't punch any of them. Oh, I thought I got myself stuck because I don't know why, but I'm having extreme... Hey, where you going, pig? Okay. This way. I said this way. What the heck? Okay, let me get this sorted out, because this is being annoying. I died. I did it. Yay. Okay, the next one, number 9. And I think 10, I'm going to stop the video here. Or not here, but like, you know, when 10 comes. Classic anvils. So many memes. Dead. Hey! It's like there's an invisible anvil. Ow! Ow! There's an invisible anvil. What am I? Yay! Okay. Next one is number 10. Yay! Wait, what? 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 Did I not? I mean, I guess I gotta use a tip. Dig a hole and fall. Let me get my chest. Okay. Wait. If I dig a hole, then I gotta go all the way to the bottom. YOLO. Yeah. So guys, I think that is going to wrap up the video, and we will do part 2 of this in another video. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.